Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a specific, timely angle that people will search for. Explain why it matters now. Once chosen, collect 3-5 reputable sources, timestamps, and at least one image so you can prove credibility. Next, craft a sharp headline and a 150-300 word lead that uses clear keywords. This helps Google understand the story. Make sure to document publication times and author details to meet news aggregate expectations and speed up indexing. Once done with the draft and assets, publish immediately on a page optimized for speed and mobile. Include structured data like news article schema so Google can parse it. Then amplify quickly. Share to social channels, notify your newsletter, and ask influencers to boost visibility within 1-2 hours to create a traffic spike. Also make sure canonical tags are correct and server response stays under 200 ms. These technical signals increase. You must monitor performance in Search Console and Analytics. Watch impressions, clicks, and crawl errors to see how Google reacts. If the story gains traction, update it with fresh facts or quotes and republish with a new timestamp so Google treats it as fresh. If it fails to trend, troubleshoot. Verify the page is indexed, fix schema validation errors, and reduce load time. These fixes often resolve the common blockers and let your content surface in trends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.